What's up guys, Trash Trackers here. Today I have 7 LEGO designs for minifigure scale garbage cans. All 7 of these I did come up with myself. They probably have been done before in some form or another. These are just my 7 favorite I built. Let's check them out. So here they are next to the original LEGO garbage can and a LEGO minifigure. Now these are approximately 8.5 studs tall. So it comes up to about just below the neckline on a LEGO minifigure. I'm going to show you each one of these. So let's just get started with the first one. This one was somewhat based off of Rare EG. It has brick-built wheels, little bib in the front to show the extra bulk, smooth handle, and a flat lid. All these are built on a 2x2 scale. Next up we have this more smooth and realistic looking bin. Similar style, but it has the actual clip-on wheels, the official wheel piece, and different handlebar. And most notably, the top can come off. You can fit a little bit of stuff in there. Not much, and it is studded down, but it at least allows for a little bit of space in there. Then after this we have a small, smoother bin, similar to the last one. Nothing can fit inside of it, but it does have the clip-on wheels using the double clip right here. Unfortunately, LEGO does not make those in blue, so I could not make them like that. But if you want more of a realistic handlebar vibe, that's thin. We use that little just lip piece. Here we have a more cartoonish looking garbage can. It's actually built using a bracket. So all this comes up right there. And the bracket connects and makes it exactly square. And then we just got the cartoonish handles with the domed lid as well. Next up we have a more modern look. All these are very similar, but they are built slightly different. I use the new LEGO elements of the 1x1 round tiles with bar on top to make the wheels look very compact. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And a regular handlebar with a divide in the middle. Here we have another kind of cartoonish looking one. It's got the smoother handlebars, and most notably I use this old roof piece for the lid. I think it looks really nice. These are not the most common bricks out there, so you might not have one of these lying around. They're very old. And then lastly we have a little 65-gallon bin. So all these other bins are based off of 95-gallon cans, but this one is based off a 65-gallon, possibly a toter or something, but I had to make it all of 2 studs smaller completely, and I think this turned out pretty good, especially next to a minifigure. But yeah guys, that's going to do it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and leave a comment down below which one is your favorite. Have you seen any of these techniques used before? And just thoughts and comments down below are always welcome and appreciated. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in next week's video. Thanks for watching.